Hello, how you can see the bones through the mesh? It's very simple. First, you have to select the armature or the bones inside the 3D view window. You can do that selecting this circle fillet icon. And now you can see the bones. Select the armature or the bones. Now you have to search for the orange square on this toolbar. Click on it and scroll down until you found the viewport display section. Here there is a checkbox that says in front. Check that checkbox and now you can see the armature and bones through the mesh. Okay, that's all. But it could happen that you don't see the armature or bones, not because there is not checked. It's not checked the checkbox of in front on the view display part, but because you have unselect the layer that contains the bones that you want to watch on the armature layers. And to fix that, just go to the armature tab, click on the layer where are in case the bones that you want to display. So click on that layer and that's all. You can hit here to the armature and the bones. Click on any other layer, and that's all. Thank you for watching this video. See you later and have a nice day. Have spoken Neurosistemas. See you later.